911. What's the address of the emergency?
Please help, my sister is missing. My dad told me to call. He doesn't speak English.
Okay, honey, tell me exactly what happened. Can you tell me your address?
We just moved here. I don't know the address. My dad said something about exit 133.
You're doing good. I just have a few more questions for you.
All units in area 17 South Gateway. Report of a lost child last seen 10 minutes ago wearing a black shirt and blue jeans.
10-4 starts the drone team. US en route.
115. I'm on scene with the father.
Hi, señor. Soy Detective Lawrence. ¿Qué pasó con tu hija?
Attention all units, the child was last seen in what was described as a heavily wooded area.
10-4. Start ATV and get K9 Jinx en route.
10-4. UAS is up. You can show Jinx on scene. ATV in the area. ATV, what do you have? Nothing yet, sir.
Drone team, do you have anything?
Negative, sir.
Hey, Sarge, I think Jinx has a track. Sorry.
Hey, we found her. Hey, can you walk to me?
10-4, I'm headed to you.
Good girl. Good girl.
$115. The child is home safe. All units are clear.